Hello, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add PayPal to your Apple Wallet. So an important thing to have before we get started is that you need to have a PayPal debit card in order to add it into your Apple Wallet. If you don't have a card, you can simply type in PayPal debit card into Google and then press on the first link, where it will take you to the official page of PayPal and you can request your card. So to get that done, you want to go to your phone's settings. And then from there, you want to type into the search bar wallet so that you can open your wallet in Apple Play. And then from there, you can see the add card in blue, press on it. And then from there, it will show the available cards as well as what kind of cards you can add. So choose debit or credit card. So when you get your PayPal card, there will be details such as your name written on it, and then the card number, the expiry date, and the security code. So you want to put that into the details where it shows you on your phone, and then your PayPal card will be added into your Apple Wallet and you can use your PayPal balance in order to pay with it. That will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.